Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. You're here with the Crypto Lifer. You know, I've worked so hard to build what I have. I've woken up every single day with a positive mindset. I've woken up every single day believing in myself and believing in you guys. Thank you so much for the community. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the support. Woke up every morning saying thank you for what I have and really truly believing that it's a blessing to be alive every single day. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. The lifers will never be defeated. They can take our lives, but they can never take our freedom, right? Shout out to everyone here. Appreciate each and every one of you coming on in. I like to start with the lemon water that I have prepared for the day, my cup, and we'll do a little bit of a pour. Shall we? We'll do a little bit of a nice pour. I was always a good pourer, right? And there we go. Drink lemon water every single morning. Start off your day fresh. Keep yourself feeling wonderful and believe in yourself every single day. You can do something you can't believe you can do. Trust me. Every year you should not believe where you're at. You should look back from the year before and be like, how is this even possible? I got here, there, but the grace of God go on, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Let's take a look at Bitty Bitty Bitcoin. Again, let me make a disclosure here. None of this is financial advice. Nothing I do and say here is financial advice. I do not consult you on your portfolio. I do not tell you what to do with your money. I've never told someone what to do with their money. All I can do is show you the charts, point out the possibilities of the ups and downs, the support and resistance, the divergences, and teach you how to find your own way in technical analysis. I am a TA teacher. This is an educational channel where I educate people on how to trade with technical analysis. Strictly. Don't ask me what to do with your money. I'm not going to tell you. It's none of my business what you do with your money. Also, this is a reality TV show. Under the rights of entertainment, I am an entertainer, and what I do here is strictly entertainment, okay? The fact that I'm a trader for a living is entertaining to many people. They find that entertaining. They think, just like some people want to go see a comedian, some people actually like watching a guy play with geometric shapes and make little art. I'm making geometric art every single day. I am an artist entertaining. I am covered under entertainment purposes only, for I am only entertaining all. So just shout out to everyone out there listening, okay? So, just making that very, very clear. Appreciate each and every one of you. What, like I'm a clown, like I amuse you? Get your shine box. Get your shine box over here. So check it out. Bitcoin, big news. I saw a cup and handle on the 5 minute. I shout out all my Patreons. They got a beautiful update about Bitcoin prior to this actually even occurring. I was able to find the patterns play out. If you can find the patterns, and they have percentages, this pattern plays out 70% of the time. That's just technical analysis. That's how it is. I'm able to find the patterns when other people can't. That's really my skill. I'm able to find patterns when other people can't. That's what my skill comes down to. And I find them before other people. And I see more than a lot of other traders do because I put more time in and I have more wisdom. Wisdom comes from intelligence and experience. That's all it is. I have the experience. I was saying to someone the other day, I could show you TA all day long. But do you know cycles? Have you traded cycles? Have you gone up and down in a cycle? What do you know about the cycle yet you're actually in right now? And to be honest, as a beginner, you may not have as much insight as the crypto lifer. So look at this. Cup and handle, booming to the upside. We called this. We called it. And it's not even a call. It's a technical analysis analyzation. I was able to analyze the TA and see exactly what was happening. Okay? And it plays out because you have a percentage that it should go in your favor. Shout out to the 92 people watching, 46 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you for everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. I want to get educated, then come on here and become educated every single day. Like right now, you could find out that cup and handles break out 68% of the time, right? So you'll look, KAVA's mainnet, August 26th. The mainnet came out yesterday, and now people can buy the coin. Now, before, you used to have a mainnet, and it used to be kind of a dump, but now think about it. Now people can get into the KAVA mainnet like Avalanche, and people are hungry, like SAFEMOON Avax, right? There's probably a SAFEMOON KAVA now. That's going to 30x, who knows, right? Again, can't believe someone talked about that yesterday on the live. Hey there, this morning I commented on Crypto Jeb to have you on his channel. That's you're great. Thank you so much, Susan Carpenter. Appreciate you. Thank you very much. I hope they listen to it. But thank you for saying that. That's very, very nice. Where is everybody here? Comment section. I can never really scroll through it this easily with a bar. Small comments today. Rodney Robinson, it's good for the soul. Just hit the like button. Thank you. What's up, everyone? Did everyone here hit the like button? Thank you, Rodney. What's that jam you always play on Fridays? SAFEMOON Skyrocket. Come on, people. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. Huge buys for SAFEMOON as they get their mainnet cracking. Starts to fly. Look at that. Off that dip. Wow. Huge move for SAFEMOON. Off the bottom. Inverted head and shoulder as well. SAFEMOON up big. $1.5 billion market cap. One of the most known coins in the world, man. People jump into SAFEMOON all the time. So one of the most known coins in the entire world, SAFEMOON. And it has its own app now. Anything could be possible with this coin, SAFEMOON. Very interesting. Coming off that bottom dip. Nice little move there. Let's see how big that move was for SAFEMOON. From the bottom, I mean, you're talking 100% gains for SAFEMOON. I mean, that's a pretty big deal if you had a chunk of change in SAFEMOON. So, just something to think about there as SAFEMOON booms to the upside. Wow. SAFEMOON, can you take me safely to the moon, baby? Wow. Amazing what happened with SAFEMOON when you think back on the whole market. And actually, it did pretty well. It held its value. It was one of the few coins that, like, despite what it was going through, really, when you think about it, held its value pretty well. When the whole market dumped, like, it dumped, but, like, if you got in at the bottom, you were still up a very, very nice amount. You know what I'm saying? A very, like, 15x at least. You know what I'm saying? Still holding in a 15x right now from where I'm at. Interesting. So SAFEMOON booming to the upside, doing very well. Okay. Thanks for putting that on the radar. Bitcoin pumping hard. 48K is a big deal. I'll tell you what, though, we need a break back to 49,339. But the bulls had to do this today. This is a big deal. We take a look at that 1 hour. That 1 hour was creeping down here like this. Little bit of a shoulder, head and shoulder, hard to see, something like that. We saw the cup and handle, though. I mean, that's what really did this move. It was the 5-minute cup and handy. And there you go. Amazing when you can find patterns. You can print money for the rest of your life. There you go. They could take everything away from you. It does not matter. You could rebuild yourself within a month. It's all in here. Everything I give you is in here. Right? I am not consulting you in your portfolios. I am not teaching you how to use money. I am teaching you how to play with geometric shapes. This is a sacred geometry. This is a craft. This is a strict craft that takes severe discipline and consistency every single day. If you don't stay consistent every single day, you will not be profitable. Let me say that again. If you are not consistent, you will not be profitable. Profitability comes from consistency every single time. Shout out to Justin Tinzing. Shout out to all my peoples. Thank you for coming on in. Thank you for the education. Shout out to Rodney Robinson for the 199. Hex all-time high. Consistency is confidence. I need some more discipline, boss. No one sells discipline. You have to find it. You have to create it. You have to make it. I need more discipline as well. I've been lacking my gym requirements. I've been like tutoring so much and working so hard. I have not been working out like I used to, as hard as I used to. Usually in the summer, I'm going really hard. I want to tell on myself right now so people know, hey, lifer, get yourself back in the gym. Start lifting some weights. You lose it if you don't use it. Just like your brain, right? My muscles are getting small. Look, scrawny. Look at that. Scrawny. I'm lean, but I got no beef. I need to beef up, man. I got nothing going right now. So I got to get back in there and get my traps bigger. My neighbor, he's like 27. Dude's huge. And I was like, damn, man, I got to get back in there. Anyway, Bitcoin's now on the 5-minute. That's a huge move for the 5-minute. Usually you don't get a move that big on the 5-minute. I mean, beautiful push up on the 5-minute chart. Bam. And then you have the end of that run. Just some love, Sam. Hope you and yours are well. Shout out to Trent Osborne. Appreciate you, man. I see you, brother. I see you. My Adam twin. Me and Trent taking Adam to the moon, baby. I see you, baby. Thank you so much, Trent. I hope you and your mother are getting along. Hope everything's going well. Hope your back's all right. And I hope everything is going well. So this is the resistance point at 48. And I had it drawn. Why did I have it drawn? Because we got rejected there. We hit it there. So resistance becomes new support, becomes resistance. Highly likely we get resisted by 48,200. And we did. So we hit the range. Beautiful. Exactly kind of as thought. So far, so good. We got very lucky with this 1 hour. You know, they're cute, right? The stochastics. It was looking ugly right there. Highly likely for a breakdown. We even had it. It looked like a bearish pennant. And Bitcoin does the exact opposite. It loves to do the opposite and take the most liquidity. The most people think it's going down. They look for that and they nail it. That was probably a lot of shorts that just got liquidated. I'm going to show you how we figure that out. We can go to Whalebot Rekt, and it shows me exactly that. Who's getting wrecked at the moment? Whalebot Rekt. Okay. And now it's not working today, which is weird. There's another one though. Whale. There's whale activity, and there's whale sniper. Okay, here comes Whalebot Rekt. Took a while to load because I hadn't had it up in a long time. So look, liquidated short at 48,351. Liquidated short. See this? Liquidated short. Liquidated short. Liquidated short. All these people thought they were slick and they went short. What did I say? I said I wouldn't do any. This is sideways action. I said this is sideways action for BTC. You know, whoever got shorted got absolutely liquidated in that move. Boom. Right? So now what's up for BTC? Well, highly high on the 1 hour. It needs to reset. So, and it got rejected by that position there at 48,000. So my idea is this. So you look for your next strong support. It's about here. 47,791. I would like to see Bitcoin hold this level. Bitcoin's hold this level. Beautiful. So look for a retest possibly. It's possible what Bitcoin could do. Sorry, that got... Look for it to come down and bounce. Make some moves on out and get out of here. Now, it broke out of the rising wedge, just like we thought the falling wedge. So now the target is just, you know, just as if it fell out of this rising wedge, we would have said there's your falling, you know, this one. This also supports the bigger idea that at least on this run, we're not going to break down out of this rising wedge. Right? Here's the rising wedge, and there was your target down there, 37,000. Even 29. Isn't that crazy? Back to 30K. If this can't complete a parabolic. So it's either going to go parabolically out or dump back down to the lows. Highly likely it goes parabolically out based on the weekly time frame. Okay? Based on the weekly chart. And we've gone over this every single day. I don't mind doing it, but the last time the weekly got high and hit this exact point, that was when the momentum revved and we went on a serious move to the upside. The weekly's this high again. Highly likely we go on a serious move to the upside. So just something to think about here when it comes to the movement of BTC. Okay. Interesting enough. That's interesting. Also, this is kind of crazy. I never thought about this. No, I guess this doesn't really, like, almost made a diamond, though. Like, I don't know. I mean, I could almost, that's a diamond, no? I mean, that's crazy. Bitcoin possibly doing the diamond. A horrible representation. I mean, that's crazy, TA. I'm just being wacky, but I mean, you never know. You never know. It's not that far-fetched, but that would make it break down. So we'll see. So I don't want to see that. But anyway, anything is possible. Bitcoin BTC's down, then we short it to the downside. It is what it is, right? Make money either way, and then we buy it on the bottom. It's good or bad. It's never bad. It's always good, regardless. So far, so good for BTC. What do I see happening this afternoon? My idea for BTC, like if I was a weatherman looking at BTC, well, so far so good. It broke out of the falling wedge. Beautiful thing. It's in a bigger channel. Beautiful thing. So far, all is well. I do see a reset here coming. Okay. 15-minute was also low, and now it's high. So a reset's coming, like somewhat of a flag. So go to the 5-minute chart now. Open it up. Draw yourself a flag. And this is how I project into the future. Bitcoin fills the flag, then it's highly likely to continue to the upside. Fills the flag and dumps, then no, right? So we're all hands on deck, and we'll be watching this closely. And this is how you get updated in the Patreon. I just update the flag throughout the day for you. Keep giving you updates about technical analysis. Keep educating you of different patterns at play. Do not tell you what to do with your money. I do not consult anybody on their portfolio. I am not a financial advisor. I've said that every single day, and I've never ever financially advised somebody on their portfolio. I go over technical analysis every single day and educate people on how to look for patterns and draw triangles. Find measured moves based on previous price action using moving averages, the MACD, moving average convergence and divergence, RSI, and stochastics RSI. I'm a highly trained technical analyst using all my skills to help people. Because you know what? A lot of people have lost their job. A lot of people are out of work. A lot of people are stuck at home in a lockdown, or were stuck at home in a lockdown. And a lot of people turned to cryptocurrency because they had nowhere else to turn. Okay? Nowhere else to turn. All right. And one of the darkest times, my channel shown to be one of the brightest beacons of light. And I was out here all on my own. Okay? Believing in myself. And I shone through when Bitcoin pumped out of the pandemic and into the beautiful boom, right? And so just a lot of people won't realize I was out here I was putting people on awares about coronavirus. I was one of the first people to know what was going on. Just anyway, go back to some of my live streams where I did nightly live streams, pouring out my heart, watching people, the pain I saw. I could not believe it. So shout out to everyone here on the live stream. There's my analysis on BTC. That's my technical analysis on BTC. Okay. Join the Patreon for consistent updates if you love these type of updates on Bitcoin. I make video updates throughout the day on BTC to keep you updated on the cryptocurrency space every single day. Okay, shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for everyone coming on in. Okay, everyone, I made a Crypto Lifer VIP charts and calls and ideas. All I want you to do is post a chart and your idea. I do not want it to become a comment section place where you could jump on in and write a bunch of stuff. I don't mean to be rude to anyone that, and I'm not calling it. I want it to be nice and neat. I want it to look like the charts. And actually, we'll just call it charts and ideas. No calls, because we don't give calls. We just give ideas here. Okay. Let me manage this. Charts and ideas. And just like me, if you join my Patreon, what do you get in the Patreon? You just get nice, exclusive charts. You just get teaching on technical analysis. It is a teaching, education. Okay, check it out. Wow. So we were looking at Raydium this morning. Even last night, we had a group meeting. I talked about Raydium. And boom, Raydium did its thing. Looks like it's getting ready for another leg up to the upside. The probabilities that we went over played out. Possible retest on Raydium right here. Solana ecosystem pumps. The smaller coins with the smaller market caps pump behind it. It's just a fact of life in crypto. It's something that happens. It's a pro tip. How do you want to get into these? You want to go into CoinGecko. You want to go to, where were we here? Categories. Very important that they added these categories. This is going to help you out so much, what I'm showing you right now. I'm giving you a gem right here of how to play the crypto space. There you go. So check it out. Exchange-based tokens, decentralized finance, centralized poly ecosystem, governance, Polkadot ecosystem, Solana ecosystem, meme tokens, like they just have it kind of all organized. Asset-based tokens, finance and banking, lending, Terra ecosystem, storage, privacy coins, like oracles, Internet of Things, Avalanche ecosystem, wrap tokens, master nodes. Like this is really gambling, fan tokens, social money. I mean, pretty awesome, right? Scenerage, synthetic issuers, like synthetics. Okay. Now, what I like to do is like you look at Avalanche ecosystem and you see, okay, what is this? So they use True USD. That's their, they got Frax share. And then you want to look for the small market cap, right? You got, where's the smallest market cap of the ecosystem? Like, look at this Joe up 2,266% in 7 days, right? Pangolin up 52%, right? There's Chi. That's why Chi started to move. Remember Chi, our baby Chi? And I mean, Chi's on a comeback. We'll take a look at that in a second as well. Avalanche makes sense, right? 100%. Snowball, Snobe, up 500% in 7 days. The Snobe, very interesting, right? Elf, that's been around a longer time. Bellaria, the 0 point exchange. And you start deep diving into what's going on here, it'll blow your absolute mind, right? Margin swap, Avaware. And then you could even hit it on the 7-day here, right? And organize that. And see, look, we got Yeti swap up 6,557%. And these are people who just got into the first swaps right at the beginning. Obviously, high risk, high reward type of plays here, but this is insane. Look at what we're seeing here. Look at this. Look at the gains in the Avalanche. Almost look, had you just thrown money into Avalanche, the worst you could have lost, 35%. Look at that. Just like going over hypothetically, or had I personally just taken a deep dive. So look at the odds when you jump into a new chain. And you just throw some darts. I mean, so the new chains come out. What came out today? KAVA, the KAVA chain. KAVA mainnet yesterday. So now you focus on the next new chain. Covalence up in this ball. I mean, Avalanche has a cool ecosystem. And a lot of things going for it. Bamboo, we talked about it yesterday. Still too early to really tell what's happening with Bamboo. Can't really even track. They can't track the price. We can track the price for you. We can take a look at it. The Panda Exchange. So Avalanche has the Panda Exchange. Panda Swap. What will become the next pancake swap for each exchange? That's the number. That's how you're following the ecosystem. This is what makes sense when you're playing cryptocurrency. You get it? So what I want everyone to realize is how that works and how it fits in and how it's making sense, okay? Because this understanding, this type of research is where is really where the residual it's really how you understand the markets, okay? Understanding markets is how you create real wealth, I mean, in my humble opinion. So that's how I did it. You do your research. The research eventually will pay you, okay? Only a matter of time. If you do your due diligence and you stay hard. I looked at this KANA token recently. I don't know much about it. Don't know what it does. It just came up on my radar. KANA. Remember drinking coffee cooladas. I don't know what a KANA is though. KANA protocol redefining the future of finance. How does KANA work? The system reads in stock or commodity asset prices via decentralized price oracle. Issuers look up collateral. If the corresponding asset values rise above the present collateral level, the collateral may be liquidated to ensure solvency of the system. Advantages of asset tokenization: reduced geographic barriers, reduced reliance on middlemen, enhanced accessibility through fractional ownership, improved asset liquidity, increased transaction efficiency, and expand investor base. Why trade on the KANA exchange? Cross margin on any asset. KANA supports a state-of-the-art cross-margining, maximizing capital efficiency. Zero slippage and guaranteed execution. Every trade will be executed against real-time price feeds with zero slippage, guaranteed by our over-the-collateralized liquidity pool. Assets to be supported: ARK Investments, Tilray. Tilray's a big deal. Ballard, Palantir, Roblox, Chronix, 3D Systems. I see a lot of stocks out here. Palantir, right? This is very interesting. Luminar, 3D Systems, ARK, very weird. The value of KAVA, gaining profit. Because of the inflation, KAVA holders rewarded with additional tokens, acquiring transactional fees for synthetic assets through the KANA exchange. KAVA is the governance token of the platform. Anyone can initiate a proposal by paying KAVA. Only users who pledge KAVA can participate in governance. There you go, man. So I like what we're seeing here. I like what's going on. Very, very interesting. And we're going to see a lot more of these coming out every single day as the framework of cryptocurrency changes and finance changes with the framework of cryptocurrency. Eventually, finance will bend to technology. It's simple. Just like people got into Uber, people are going to get into cryptocurrency. People don't like to wait. People like to get their money moving. And banks are greedy. The banking system is greedy. People that run the financial systems are greedy people too. They want to make money. They like making money. They don't like fees if they don't have to pay them. Cryptocurrency will make things fat. You'll get there faster and pay less. It's like Uber for less money. You're telling me people wouldn't pay Uber if it was less than a cab? They pay Uber. They'll pay a $30 Uber ride over a $20 cab ride for the convenience, for the speed. That's what it's all about. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being a part of my live stream. Thank you for supporting the Crypto Lifer each and every day. Appreciate each and every one of you. We hit Zilliqua for 20%. It stalled out pretty much close to my target ever since it stalled out close to the target there. Let's take a look at Zilliqua now. Forming another cup and handle. Getting ready for its next move. Bitcoin booms. What's going to happen to the rest of the market? It's going to fly. So Bitcoin stabilized right now, very strong and liquidating the shorts. The bears just got eaten alive. And they thought they had us by the gustos, but they did not. The gizzards, so to speak. And yeah. So 1 hour. Forming a bit of a flag and wanting to make a move. This looks pretty scrumptious right now. Mike the Mistake. Good day, Lifer. This goes out to Maddie Who Knows. I'm still here, brother. I don't miss a Lifer show. I watch when I get off work every day. I will always be a Lifer. Took the day off just to say this. This is Mike Jordan. CIL. Shout out to Mike Jordan. Appreciate you, man. Good day, Lifer. Yeah, we were like, where is Mike Jordan? Appreciate you, man. Thank you much. Appreciate you, Mike, man. Mike the Mistake. Appreciate you, Mike. Thank you for coming on in. Crypto is life. Shout out to Mike Jordan, man. Thank God you're back. We had no idea where you were. Sup, my dude. Shout out to XRP Muser up in the spot. I got to call you later. Have a little bit of a talk. Break down what's cracking. Shout out to my dude, XRP Muser. Possibly we could do a show later today, around 3 o'clock. If you're ready, I'll give you a call. Mike Jordan. Sounds good. I'm always here. Shout out to Mike the Mistake. Appreciate you, my brother. Mike the Mistake sounds like a dope rap name. We should make rap songs with it. Hey, Lifer, could you take a look at NFTTONE? Up 100% over the past week. Their platform is expected to release in the near term. We'll take a look at that, too. Let's go through the super chats right quick. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here and being a crypto lifer. My voice is like lower today than it ever is. I don't know why. Some days it's just lower, depending on the barometric pressure outside. I got that low voice. I got that low. Some people got a way. My voice isn't that low, but it's low enough. Go deep when you got to, baby. Go deep when you got to. Just very wide. Everybody, I love you, ladies. Very wide. Hey, Lifer, can you take a look at the NFTTONE up 100% over the past week? Their platform is expected to release in the near term. Just some Sam Hope. You and yours are well. Thank you, Trent Osborne. Appreciate you. Shout out from that impromptu schooling session last night. Appreciate you guys know anytime. I'm going to be doing that a lot for you guys. It was fun, wasn't it? It was a good time. I had no idea how many people would jump in, and I'm super excited to see that many people were that attentive. So that means people are in the group. They're just waiting to get more nuggets. Everyone's waiting for a nugget. I appreciate you guys. We went over something, too, that was very important, and boom. And Raydium, right? We talked about the ecosystems and how to follow through on an ecosystem. Kind of gave you guys a gem. Bitcoin is being ready. I like that. Gunny G. Shout out to Sue's Soza Cry with Crypto possibly, we don't know. Lifer, got my legs work. I'm here in the chat. I'm blessed. Shout out to Trent Osborne. There you go, man. Legs working, baby. Raydium, 50%. Raydium went up 80 at one point. SWAPERRY, first exchange on Polkadot's ecosystem. SWAPERRY. Oh, really? Okay. SWAPERRY. I can't wait to see Polkadot and what it's going to do. Cryptocurrency is going to take over in a major way. SWAPERRY airdrop information here. SWAPERRY. And there's your SWAPERRY ICO, SWAPERRY.com. The one place for commercial freedom. Fully decentralized market exchange for all things DeFi, cryptocurrency, NFTs, and tokenized stocks. Predict, win cash, earn NFTs. Take part in the first decentralized prediction games in the market. Then earn valuable NFTs as you play and sell for profit. Interesting. 100% decentralized trading. SWAPERRY is the first project featuring an advanced trading features in a totally decentralized manner. No KYC hassle seen on centralized exchanges. User stays anonymous. Assets remain in traders' custody. Trustless cross-chain migration brings your crypto asset from any blockchain onto SWAPERRY in a secure manner. Advanced SEX only features the limit order and prediction trading were carefully thought from the ground up in order to function and scale. SWAPERRY builds on the top of widely successful AMM liquidity pool trading model and utilizes unmatched performance of the Polkadot ecosystem to bring advanced features never seen in other DEXs. Limit order and stop loss, our proprietary smart contract-based algorithm lets traders set automatic trading commands to efficiently utilize market opportunities. That's nice. Predicting trading. Join pools that predict the direction of an asset price and win your share of the big pot, along with lottery jackpoints. And margin coming soon. Join pools that predict the direction of an asset price and win your share of the big pot, along with lottery jackpots. New stock market launch on DeFi. SWAPERRY aims to be the first decentralized exchange to allow stock trading across country borders. Trading Tesla, Apple, or even GME will soon be a reality on your exchange. Buy and sell their tokenized versions with USDT or Perry. Oh, it's Perry Swap. SWAPERRY. There you go. SWAPERRY. I thought it was SWAPERRY. Redeem them on your brokerage as traditional stocks to exercise your shareholders' rights. Wow, that's crazy. Strategic investors. Poker Foundry, big deal right there. Ice-T Labs, Moonwhale, I love those guys. Coin98, big deal, right? Pet Rock Capital, yeah. And then their team, CEO Phil Dang, senior engineer at Google, co-founder and CTO at ZenQuiz. You got Google guys, man, that are forming here. People that built the biggest companies in the world are building the next set of the biggest companies in the world. It's time we get the regulations figured out. It's time we get the legality figured out so the United States can move forward. We cannot be held back anymore. The future of finance is here. It's obvious. Let this get regulated properly so everyone can do the right thing. Nobody wants to be doing something they shouldn't be doing. Everybody wants to form, and I tell you right now, everyone always pay your taxes and do the right thing. Okay? Always. 100%. Like, so look at Zilliqua, cup and handle at 11111. Pretty interesting. What I like about it is it's above the 200-day moving average. It's forming a bit of a flag here that it broke out of on the 7-minute, breaching the top trend line, getting busy. You saw when Bitcoin had the 1-minute high and how much it could go up there on just a flip up, right? It is high in the Stokes to be perfectly safe even if it runs up. The Stokes need to reset for more momentum. Looking at this stock, bounce off the trend line, bam. A lot of times what price action will do. Watching Zilliqua closely here for a breakup and possible retest. I own a bags of Zilliqua. I was getting this Zilliqua back when it was at 6 and 3 cents. I like Zilliqua, holding Zilliqua long term because of its sharding. Zilliqua can shard. Sharding is when, like a shard of glass, it's when you can crack pieces of the blockchain and not have to use the entire blockchain. So therefore, you don't have to download as fast. It can move very quick. Sharding's very, very important. Parsec, booming, doing its thing up 46%. Nailed it. LRC doing some shady business. We'll take a look at that in a second too. So there, Parsec. Why am I so fixated on Parsec? I really like it. I'm honed in on it. Got intuition. Parsec, and Parsec booms to the upside. Bam. At $1. I got into Parsec at 19 cents. I'm up 5x on Parsec, booming to the upside. I had already held Parsec since last September. Soon it will be an entire year that I've been holding Parsec. It'd be awesome because it'd be long-term cap gains, and it will be very, very nice. Remember, if you hold something over a year, you pay 17% cap gains. Right? If you hold something less than a year, you pay more, depending on your tax bracket. Right? And I'm not an accountant, but get an accountant and make sure you use professional services when doing any type of due diligence. Don't do your own taxes. Have someone else do them for you that's a professional. Okay. Look at this. Check this out. Parsec, USDT, right? It's not even done yet. It's going to reset, but look, if you look at that 4 hour still has momentum to the upside. What a beautiful boom for Parsec. Booming like right out of the gate. Never even getting close to the stop loss. No thought of the stop loss even getting hit at all. Boom. Parsec booming to the upside. We went over this as a group earlier this morning. Talked about why the cup and handle. We went over the education of the cup and handle. We showed the falling wedge. Falling wedges break out 68% of the time. We just showed you the shape and the probability of the shape. And by golly gee oh my, the probability of that shape went out. Look what the education will teach you. The education about how these channels play out, about how these things move. Respect the TA. The TA will be respected. Okay? And there you have it. Another nice play. Booming to the upside. Parsec, 69% gains in total from the move. Bam, in the morning, before your morning coffee, get lit. Parsec. Shout out to all my peoples. Thank you for coming on into the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. And we add this to the win list. Look, Ray, 80% this morning. Parsec, booming, 69%. Bam. This is what the TA will give you. Technical analysis. Cirrus, 119%. OXT, 45%, 53%. 70% in less than 24 hours on QI. Remember when we heard it was just a brand new coin? Started putting in a pennant, watching it, doing the educational moves on the technical analysis. 46% boom for Telcoin. Rose booming. All MTV booming. And I'm going to take a look at Doc and MTV2 right now. Haven't looked at them in a few days. We'll take a look at them. Bam, Parsec doing its thing. It's nice to celebrate a gain. It's nice to celebrate a win. Let's look at XPR. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Mike the Mistake. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for the awesome super chat. Appreciate you guys. We'll take a look at Tone Up, the NFT Tone Up. Shout out to the Impromptu. Appreciate you, brother. We'll take a look at NFTTONE. NFTTONE after XPR, all right? I also want to go over total dominance, total Bitcoin dominance, you know, USDT dominance. I want to take a look at a bunch of different things here. So this didn't play perfectly. Let's see what happens. It's only a matter of time, though. It's going to just, 1 hour's high. Look for it to kind of juggle itself again. It is breaking out, though. That, to me, is a break of trend line. So it broke out the gate. Now it just needs to go sideways and reset. See what can happen here. This is a tiny coin, though, getting really close to, where it first started. Good accumulation coin. Make a bowl, look for the cup and handle, just follow the TA. Find the TA. May not even go that far. Anything's possible, though. And then a blast. Could be your bottom point. Well, cool to keep this ever and watch it play out. We'll publish this, right? XPR cup and handle. Just to see. I'm probably way off. It's just fun to watch it fill out and have it sit there. Possible projection for a boom. This is technical analysis every single day. If you like education on TA, I clearly have it. I can clearly prove that I have it. So look at this. We'll have this here edited. We'll watch this weeks later and see what happens. It'll be fun. Nice little gem for us to take a look at. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. The fake XRP. Let's help people find this channel and hit the like button. Support the Crypto Lifer. Appreciate everybody. Thank you, Mike the Mistake. Appreciate everybody. Like and sub everybody. XPR LOL. We hitting 12K subs today. I can only like once. Let's go for 12K, baby. 12K subs. 12K submarines on the way. Crypto Lifer submarines. Crypto Lifer submarines coming with the Ilmarines. I don't want to buy the marines. I don't want to set it in my jeans and the green jeans. Anyway, shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming in. 192 people watching, 121 likes. You would have had me fooled when I saw the likes. Crypto Lifer, the great human being. Shout out to Bull Shalom. I can only once. Appreciate we're hitting 12K subs. Let's see. Let's get that sub count out. Used to keep the alert box with the sub count. Want to recreate that when I'm traveling. Actually, it will look better even almost. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being a part of the Crypto Lifer show and letting me do my dream every single day and live out my dreams to be a video radio host on a show. You know what I'm saying? Always wanted to be in TV. Always wanted to be in entertainment. I used to work on the back end of entertainment. I was the guy behind the camera. I was a cameraman for a long time. I was also a video editor for a long time. I worked in a union for many, many years. Just lost my job due to the pandemic. So I'm going through it just like everybody else. I was a victim of the whole entire, but I chose not to be a victim. I chose to find my way and find myself. I was isolated in those dark winters, locked down. And what I did is I found you guys and I found my lifers and I found my way. I pushed through to an amazing place in my life. And now I feel so empowered and so special. And I know that I have something that nobody could ever take away, no matter what. I could recreate my success over and over again, no matter what. No matter what. It does not matter because it's all about self-reliance and self-belief and confidence in yourself. Okay? It's not the easiest thing to build up, but every day as you build, no more negative self-talk. I don't do it. No more negative self-talk. I don't use it. As much as this is a technical show, this is also a show about who you are and how you feel about yourself and how I feel about myself. I open up extremely, extremely big here on this channel. You won't see most guys, they just talking about TA. They don't open up like this. I really open up to who I am and what I am about, because you know what? You get so much out of life when you reveal your humility, your inside, who you are. Other people open up to you. I've had people tell me their life stories. They've known me for an hour. Why? Because I'm able to breach through the frequency that makes them hold back. When you don't hold back and when you give, others give back to you. That is a full life. You'll be able to write a book. If you live a full life, you'll be able to write a book on your life. You'll be able to sell that book when you're 50, 60 years old. Why? Because you lived such a full life. Everyone will want to read that book. They're going to be like, how? How do you live a full life? You give out to so many people. You just give. You give a smile when you get in your coffee. You put that change in the guy when he's on the highway. You say, hey, what's going on? When you see a kid hit a little, you're walking past, when I'm going past the park and I see like a 16, 18-year-old kid do a cool trick on a skateboard. I'm like, yo, you hit it, man. I'm still a kid. Like, I always want to say what up. I see an old woman crossing the street. Sometimes I put my arm out. You need it. Oh, yes, thank you so much. And they grab your arm. Just give to the around, I saw a blind man a few times in the world in New York City. They come off at Boston. They just ask, hey, hello. And you say, yeah, I'm here. You say, I need to get to blah, blah, blah. And, they could do it themselves, but it's a lot easier with you. So you put his hand on your shoulder and you walk him. I did it like 3 or 4 times in my 20 years in New York City. Just happened randomly. Just happened to be near the blind person. And you're like, how do I say no to this guy? And so by opening up in your life, you're able to find so much, and you're able to get so much. And it's also with trading, to be open-minded. It can't be this way every time. It has to be possibly. This morning we woke up. I said, Bitcoin has some bearish signs and some bullish signs. And all we can do is take the probability and go for the flow. And I even said I would step back and wait for it to do something. Once it broke out of that tiny cup and handle in the 5 minute, then you could start then it told you that it had a direction. But before that, we couldn't find a direction. Yo, respecting the skaters. Yeah, I skated for years, man. Remember, when 11K subs was a big deal. Now 12K. Before long, 100K. Shout out to Trent Osborne. Shout out to all my peoples. Thank you for everyone coming on into the live stream. Each and every one of you, every single day. 100K subs, baby. On our way, baby. So, predictions, predictions. Corrections, conflictions. Dedication, movement. Confidence, conviction in the move. 198 people watching. Appreciate each and every one of you. Join the Dion Bagwell. Do we all get tutoring? I mean, I do like group settings. I talk about things. You would have to pay for tutoring. It is separate. But I do once a week. Once a week, we do a weekly screen share. And in there, I do thorough. I mean, basically, you do get tutoring. If you want to join the weekly screen share at 6 every day, we go over all the setups. We talk about mindset. We go over technical analysis so thoroughly. And I go over divergences, so many different awesome things that we touch on once a week, Wednesdays at 6 p.m. Every Wednesday at 6 p.m. from almost till like about 8:32. We do a weekly screen share. The entire group is one huge learning session, 24/7. Mindset. Yes. Okay, cool. Thank you. Personal development plus perception plus quality of life plus options. Shout out to Todd Meek. Dion, we'll be waiting for you in the chat. Happy to see you join. Shout out to Suzak Cry. Thank you so much. Christ is the key to eternal life. Lifer is a prison term. Look it up. Don't be a prisoner to crypto. Oh, come on, man. A 12-year-old boy at Summer Holdings created Whales NFT, and the boy made $290,000. That's amazing. I still struggle to find my ways how to buy. A 12-year-old boy at Summer Holidays created Whales NFT, and the boy made $290,000. That's so funny, right? Remember, a train is not a plane. Whatever that means. Dion, I don't know. I've been watching in digital accessibility for the last 4 years. Putting in my 2 weeks on Monday. Thanks to crypto. Shout out to Aaron Chapman. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you very much. I am loving the Patreon. Just getting started. Let's go, Sham. Shout out to Fred Storer, man. Thank you very much for saying that. Let him know. Here's a new Patreon. Let them know how it feels to be in the Patreon. Shout out to the lifers up here in this spot. Shout out to everyone. And when this market rips, it's going to be the greatest place to be. When this market rips again, it's going to be absolutely out of control. Can you talk about C98? C98 is an amazing project. It's beautiful. Send it in a super chat and I will definitely go over it. Appreciate each and every one of you. Shout out to everyone that super chatted me on the channel. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you for the education. If you would like technical analysis done on a coin, send it in a super chat. I will not give you any advice of how to buy it, what to do with it. It's none of my business. You know, what to do with your portfolio, none of my business. But if you would like me to consult you on what projects look beautiful in cryptocurrency, if you'd like me to show you how cryptocurrency is created, like basically the NFT space, the cover space, all the different, ecosystems, how they're built, what moves them. If you need education on cryptocurrency, I can help you. If you would like me to show you how to draw lines and learn technical analysis, I can also tutor you. Links are below my video. Okay. If you would like to join my educational Patreon, where I educate you on technical analysis, jump on in. The link are below the description. Okay. I think it's an opportunity we are missing. Also, a bus is not a truck. I think it's but opportunity we are missing. Welcome to the Patreon. See you there. I think it's but opportunity we are missing. I don't know what he's saying. I would love to know. Yeah, personal development, perception, plus quality of life. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Interesting, a lot of people watching. Not as many comments as usual, which is funny, but it's awesome. It means people are just listening. People are honing in. I like that. Research is king. TA is great, but trends are stronger. Avax Network is the next BSC spotted from 2 miles away. Yeah, I mean, obvious. Very obvious. Look at this, man. Booming to the upside is Tezos, making its way back. Michael Jordan, just wanted to say thank you, Sam. You have been always supportive of your team. I miss being on the lives with you and the fam. Shout out to all the admins and the mods and the lifers. We are family. I will be getting tutored soon. Shout out to Mike Jordan. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for coming on into the live 99 super chat. Unbelievable. Thank you so much. We are here, family. It's beautiful. A teacher and his students. So awesome. Glad to see you, fam. Was missing you. Asking about you yesterday. It's funny. Mike the mistake. The reticular activating system getting polished well. Shout out to Anko. Support the crypto lifer. Shout out to Mike the mistake. XPR is great value. XRP, but still, I got a bag of it. Mr. Smurfington. XPR is the great value. XRP. Lifer, have you seen the video on Star Atlas? It looks amazing. I think this game will be huge. I already had this honing in feeling about Star Atlas. DYOR have done on the move. Nearly 500k market cap. Check it out, brother. Ryan King. That's absolutely insane. Shout out to the Do Your Own Research team. My dudes, man. Can't wait to wear my shirt, too. The Do Your Own Research team. It looks like with the resurgence of the Bitcoin move, it could take a resurgence of all these tiny coins to the upside. The entire microcap gem coin move could boom to the upside. Wow, I never thought we would see it this high. That is huge. That's a major, major move for this coin to the upside. Unbelievable. Let's take a look at the 10-minute. Wow, Do Your Own Research just booming. Booming. We've been talking about this coin since it was down. Wow, this is pure insanity. Let's take a look at the 12-hour. This is pure insanity. Oh my God, that's a straight line to the upside. It's one of the smallest market caps of anything I've ever seen in my entire life. This is insane. Look at this thing. Up 2,576% gains on DYOR. Unbelievable. And look, just consistent. One sell, 50 million buys. Like, look at that. And now the buys are getting bigger. 499, 50, 1,900. Someone's throwing down. That's insane, right? We weren't seeing that before. 70. It was all like $5. Now the buys are getting bigger. The market cap is growing. You see this at 4 million. I mean, the little tiny ones get to $50 million. So that's insane. Again, none of this is financial advice. This is just, I'm just going over many, many coins in the space. This is insane. Do your own research. and it's got a great team. I know the team, good guys. So very interesting. I was on their YouTube channel. Actually, they interviewed me. Check it out. Love learning. We love you. I got into DYOR a couple months ago. LYOR. Yeah, man. I like the SMOT key. Fun fact, do you know that people with ADHD and autism have overly high functioning RIS? That could explain your ability to intuit the charts well. Overfunctioning, I'm a pattern creator. Yeah, I do have some form of that. DYOR, we are just doing what we can to call out the scams and developing our educational platform and utility. Shout out to Tree City West, man. DYOR is not stopping. Dude, shout out to a good coin finally pumping to the upside. DYORinfo.net, right? DYOR. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. 193 people. Can we breach 200? Breaching 200 has been like my nemesis. The reticular activating system, RAS. Good morning, Lifer. Interesting. It's an aggregator. Last Poet. Shout out to the Crypto Lifer and the Lifers. Take a look at Cake BTC. Thanks, man. Shout out to Last Poet 06. Thank you for coming on in. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you for the love. Shout out to the DYOR research team. Shout out to Mike Jordan. Shout out to Mike the Mistake. Shout out to all my awesome Lifers, man. Each and every one of you coming through every single day with the love and the support. Let's take a look at NFTTONE as well. I should know. I mean, I go to this website 100 times and I forgot it. Pretty sure it's DYORinfo.net though. Why am I forgetting it? Wiki fandom. That's pretty interesting. With this large collection of information based on that's something different. Are they on CoinMarketCap? What is do your own research? It's funny. I mean, you guys hit on a coin. I mean, you took two. You took a name that's a good idea. I mean, think about it. NFTTONE. Why am I having a hard time finding the website when I love the coin? Website should be right here. They used to put it right here. You could just go to the website. Chart holders. BitQuery. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Make sure you only get the address from the official site. Always, always, always. Boom. Congrats, DYOR. Yeah, congrats to the DYOR team, man. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Congrats to you guys, man. Thank you so much. What an amazing accomplishment for what you're bringing. I'm thanking you for what you're bringing to the market, you know? And, yeah, I mean, what goes up must come down. It has to be a pullback at one point. Oscillators are cooked, all you know, but if they're doing a good thing and people like what they're doing, anything is possible. So just putting that out there on everybody's radar as well. Anything is possible for DYOR. All right? DYOR. Okay. Wow. I'm just kind of blown away right now. Whatever happened to that MiniFootball? That thing's insane. $11 million market cap and growing. Massive dump. Look at that. Ugly. Rug pulling it. See? I don't like these, man. I really don't. DYOR research finds cool. I like the team. You know, I've actually got a face to a name and know the people. Look at this. This cup and handle boomed up. It was also in a inverted cup and handle. Inverted head and shoulder as well. Let me get to that super chat real quick. It's Cake BTC. Let's take a look at Cake BTC. Looks like another super chat just popped up in. Bitcoin Hasher with the $20. Appreciate you. Thank you so much for the love, man. Toad Swap. Good old Tezos finally doing its thing. I know, right? Taking forever. Forever never love seems too long until you're gone. So look, 30 minute, 1 hour. Wants to do what's called a retest because it's high on the stochastics. Look at this though. Looking nice. That's a beautiful bull pennant for Cake BTC. Cake should beat up on Bitcoin. Makes a lot of sense. Cake BTC. Make some cake. Make some Bitcoin off the cake pumping to the upside. Not a perfect cup and handle. It's what we call like the half a cup and handle, but you can already see it boomed out of a cup and handle. Tell the story to yourself. Tell the story because there's a bigger move behind the smaller move. You might see a little pennant, but there's a bigger move behind that if you can find the cup and handy. Take that low to that high, swing that out, and get your measured move out of the target. Getting pretty close, but you can see how these work out over and over again. That's how we made our move later on. Cake's still one of the most popular coins in Google search. They came, they crushed it, and told us, lifers first, DYOR. Always made 1K on DYOR. Thanks. Only the beginning. Good old Tezos finally doing its thing. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being a part of the Crypto Lifers show and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thank you for joining. Calling yourself a lifer is a privilege. It's a beautiful thing. 195, 169 people on the game. That means we need more likes. Let's get to 200 likes. I know you guys can rock me to 200 likes. And you know what? I say, one guy said, I found my channel and I saw your cup and handle video. Next thing you know, I was drawing cup and handles and it changed my life. So if you hit the like button, you just might teach someone how to draw a cup and handle. You just might educate someone. You might help someone find their way into cryptocurrency the proper way without getting hurt, without someone taking advantage of them. So please, hit that like button and save cryptocurrency. Okay? Shout out to, oh yeah, DYORtoken.info. That's why I got thrown off. DYORtoken.info. That's why I knew it was like info. So check it out. Here's the website, Do Your Own Research Token. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And they made me my own custom shirt that I'm sure will come in the mail not too long from now. Welcome to DYOR Token. Token was developed by victims of scams to bring together a community to fight against the growing number of rug pulls, honeypots, and fraudulent contracts in the cryptocurrency markets. Pretty cool, right? They even have a store. There's some cool graphics and things you can look at. Yes, Trust Wallet supports DYOR research, but not price yet. It's on the roadmap. Welcome to DYOR. Get a cool shirt, pillow, some socks, backpack, mask if you have to, right? Look at this. This is a nice look. That's cool. No one would even realize what it is. You really look at it. That's a beautiful little dress. I like that. Funny. Interesting. But yeah, slap your logo. Like nice hoodie. I like the logo. DYOR and the Y's right. I love the logo. I think it's hot. It says it all at once and you get it with the cube, you know? Hat's cool too as well. Like the shirt. Little polo shirt. I was told I got a custom made DYOR research shirt sent to my mom's P.O. box. I gotta get it. Can't wait to wear it. Shout out to the team. Good things come to those who wait. I cannot wait to see that shirt. Please join the Patreon now. I will have access for the next 30 days or until the end of this month and renew on the 1st. If you join the Patreon right now in cryptocurrency, pay in cryptocurrency for $99 for 1 month. If you'd like to pay for 3 months, it'll cost you $270. We'll give you a 10% discount for 3 months. Okay? If I join the Patreon now, we'll have access to the next 30 days or until the end of this month and renew it on the 1st. Hitting the like does more than a super chat, guys. Pay it forward. Show some love. Share the wisdom with the world. Shout out to Trent Osborne. I appreciate what you're saying. What do you think I can buy now for 400? From your opinion, if you have 400. I do not give financial advice. I will never tell you what to do with your money. That's a question I cannot answer. I cannot wait to learn all I came from you and teach my kids. Shout out to Larry Baldwin. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for coming on into the live stream. Each and every one of you guys. 193 watchers. Unbelievable. Can we get the likes up to 193? 15 of you. I know you might be driving. You can't do it. Pull over. Look at it. Hit the like button. Get back in that car. Keep it moving. And don't be watching TV while you're driving. Just be listening, I hope, by all means. Whole market's starting to get right, if you ask me. CHZ wants to break on out in a giant cup and handle. About to do damage. The buy zone there. My target there. That is the target of the technical analysis. That's where the TA suggests where the price should go. Back all the way up to 52. Now, let me show you. If you're a lifer, you know that Bitcoin should be dropping a bit. Why do you know that? Let me teach you why. Number one, you broke out. It's all good. As long as I told you, My lifers know how to track Bitcoin. Right? Look, we made our move here. So now we just got to readjust. Just readjust. And so far, so good. All is going well. About to touch the 21. And we just readjust the pattern. And we keep moving it like that because we don't know what's going to do, but that's what projection does. And that's why I stay ahead of the game, ahead of the pack, because I'm projecting before it happens. Then I watch the price fill up my pattern. This is a highly good skill you get added. Projection is an add-on. Once you master all of your TA, you project into the future with your projections. The projection are key. That's how you're able to map out things. Then you say, if the price does this and that, it should come down to this area. If it does, boom, I execute. But before I get into a trade, I'm watching it for at least 5 to 6 hours if I can. If it's quick, 1 hour, and I set up and I check it out, it happens. But 90% of my trades, I'm making them 12 hours in advance, meaning I'm building this idea, I'm planning out a map, and I'm saying if it does this, this is where I'm going to enter. If you can have 2 accounts, hit the like button. Hit the like for the lifer. Lifer gives, so should you. Shout out to all the lifers in the live stream. Thank you for everyone out here. Appreciate each and every one of you for being a part of the Crypto Lifer Show. Okay, yes, Trust Wallet supports DYOR. Wow, man. Wow, what a day in the markets. Starting to pump up to the upside. What a day in the markets. Shout out to everyone on the live. Great stream as always, Lifer. Much love from the CTC crew. Appreciate my buddies, Portal CTC. Appreciate you guys. Long amp. Okay, moving forward. Let's take a look at Total 2. That is all the money in the market and what's happening with all the money in the markets today. Total and Total 2. Okay. I put it in a cup and handle not too long ago. How many days ago did I do this? Maybe 3, 4, 5 days ago. I got a target for the entire market of cryptocurrency to go to $2.41 trillion. Looks like we're headed to $2.41 trillion on our way to some massive gains to the upside. Massive gains to the upside. So, watching this very, very closely. Highly likely this is going to boom to the upside. Cup and handles, we play them. They break out many, many times. This is not an asset. This is the entire cryptocurrency space. Another proof that this is an educational channel, because you couldn't even buy or sell this asset. This is just the entire space of cryptocurrency. We are technical analysts. We go over the entire market, world markets. We're going to go over the dollar index right now and show you where the dollar's going. Highly likely it's dumping to the downside, okay? And it's going to continue to dump as well. I love America more than anything. The American dollar is on shaky ground. Solana, it's on Dex Tools. Not sure if you saw my last message, but can you find NFTTONE on PooCoin under the name Tone? Thank you for saying that. Let's take a look at Tone, NFTTONE. A lot of bots coming in right now as well. Wow, so it was in a cup and handle down here. Made a move. It's in a giant cup and handle now. It's all cup and handles all the time. Right side of the handles break down just like this. They see how this broke in? And they break out. Like, up, boom. Like, they don't just go down. They go up, down, up, down, up, down. They don't just go up. They go up, down, up, up. Right? $1.6 million market cap. Thing is, definitely looks like a bit of a gem here. Definitely a bit of a gem. NFTTONE. You say they got a good team and a good space. You know, you never know. High risk, high reward in all these tiny coins. And again, I don't suggest any of us buy any of these. None of this is financial advice. We're just having fun doing TA on all different types of moves. We're just watching how price action plays out inside of these patterns. It'll be so fun to watch tomorrow if this pattern plays out. We're not putting money on it. We don't care about it. It's not about that. It's more just we're more excited to watch patterns play out. We're pattern obsessed people and we're educators and we like to educate ourselves about the pattern. Got into CAG at 36 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 Just messing around. Paradox, Binance Smart Chain NFT Marketplace, only on PadSwap. Paradox booming. Take a look at Paradox. PDox, right? This thing's only got an $800,000 market cap. These are tiny market caps. I mean, so this thing's been kind of struggling doing its thing, but for the most part, it's tiny. I mean, but it wasn't, look, TA, man, the TA plays out. Look, it's insane how the TA plays out on this stuff. There's your cup. There's a handle. Doing damage out of the cup and handle, hitting the target. This got a bigger target to play as well. PDox. Shout out to Pat. Shout out to my man, Bitcoin Hasher. Appreciate you, my buddy. Thanks, Mike. It's been a long time coming. XRP Music, looking forward to your travel blogging. Oh, that's dope, dude. You're going to do travel blogging? Are you kidding me? Wait. Did I just hear that? Yo, I'll give you the I give you the cameras. I got the drones. Yo, I got you. I did travel blogging. You've been in my travel blogs. Let's pop out a travel blog with me and XRP Music. Everyone's going to be like, oh, it's getting towards the end of the show. And you can see RemoteChief. Where do we go? We go to Chappaquiddick. Right? Should come up. Right there. There we are. Our travel blog. Watch us, man. Watch the RemoteChief channel. You get a kick out of it. I think me and Muse are hilarious. He's hilarious. He says the funniest stuff in here, man.
That's the name of the blog. It's on time, the third.
But we went over to Chappaquiddick. And, you know, the old island where Ted Kennedy, you know, God rest his soul, you know. Anyway, I won't even bring it up. But, you know, and this is the island of Chappaquiddick right here. It's a smaller island off the coast of Martha's Vineyard. So it's an island off the coast of an island. Tiny little island. We had a blast, though. We went out. We, you know, had a jam. We show you that we do a lot of travel blogging. Before, back in the day, it was all travel blogging all the time. Then we got the drones. We got you know, we got it all, man. Started doing them. There's me and Music right there, man. That's us, what, 2018. Bam. And Greg, man, my dude, Crypto Greg, man. Seaweed, my dude, man. Beautiful island, Martha's Vineyard. Unbelievable place to live. Unbelievable place to be alive, man. What a handsome man. Look at that guy. XRP Muser, man. My dude. Looks like my brother, man. Look at that. Wait, pause that. Hold up, pause that. Wait. I gotta tilt my head. If I tilt my head, there it is. See the resemblance? We got the forehead. He got the same forehead. It's crazy, man. Look at this. He's got this brow. We got the, this is like a Irish, I don't know. This is some Irish trait. Like he got the same face structure. You know what I'm saying? We met each other one day. We're like, oh, that's weird, man. You look like me. We don't look exact, but it's close enough, man, to be brothers, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you coming on in. Yo, Lifer, you funny, man. Young Sam. Lifer's younger brother, XRP. Man. Ada's version of Pancake Swap coming soon, called Sunday Swap. Yeah, it is. We knew about Sunday Swap from the very beginning. Good looking dudes, LOL. No, dude, you kind of look like RA the Rugged Man. You really think I look like RA, man? I know RA. I don't look like RA the Rugged Man. You really think I look like RA the Rugged Man? Me or XRP Music? How do I look like RA, dude? Look at that. He's awesome, though. How could you not like... Yo, he's been blowing up more and more, too. He kept moving. He got a contract years ago with one... You know, he's supposed to be a huge rapper. RA the Rugged Man's the dude, man. I appreciate him, man. I was rapping for years. You know I know RA, man. You look like brothers. Shout out to Kevin Tam. No, dude, you kind of look like RA the Rugged Man. Yeah, you could be the RA's cousin. RA is a beast. Yo, RA is insane. One of the greatest rappers in history. You know? Y'all make me spit. Sound Bomb in Volume 2. Yo, he's unbelievable. Like, never find a better... He can just, oh my gosh, man. His linguistic ability, insane. I shatter you mad, I disperse in the earth. I burst with the earth for personal curse. I piss and shit and a curse in the church. I tragically stab a priest in business just to flirt with the nurse. I'm worse than the dirt, chasing to close the curtain to insert in a shapely virgin, make it urgent. My face emerging from the mason furnace. Pages are turning, books are turning. Crooks from normally, it looks unfortunately, put the force in me until I'm court ordered by 4 police who corner me accordingly with 4 4-door Fords pushed forward. My poorly restored, uninsured, floored Honda record I could barely afford to lease. I ran out and stormed the streets with a Ruger portable piece. I made a short fort on my knees out of a steel box from storage and sheets to stop the metal and the bullets pouring at me. Told God I changed the life that I formerly lead for 4 more minutes indeed. A minute to bleed, a venison breeze, all to stay alive just to finish the beat. Shout out to everyone on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on into the live. Is PXBCZ not PDocs? Is PXBSC not PDocs? Interesting. This one still looks good though. PXBSC. Paradox NFT. There you go. Completely different. Doesn't come up. So we can't get it out here. Interesting. Lifer going off. Love it, bro. Yeah. Uh-oh. Crypto wifey coming now. Repping. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, man. Appreciate each and every one of you. It is Friday. And this is entertainment purposes only. So I'm saying, like, I'm entertaining. It's not just about, like, you know, anyone that's trying to say what they're trying to say, they got it twisted. Right? Inverted head and shoulder here on BLZ. Might take a gander. Probability of that breaking out of the technical analysis is a 68% chance. Also could have a bigger target of an ascending triangle getting ready to go parabolic. It's also a bit of a cup and handle, is it not? Look at this cup forming here. Look, shoulder, head, and shoulder too on the bigger time frames. BLZ looking nice, very nice, very nice. Watch for it to reset on the 1 hour later on this afternoon. Wow. Did we do C98 yet? Gina Bambina. Dark Horse, awesome. 2 Boston dudes talking crypto later today. LOL. Right? PSA on Dex Guru. Let's take a look at it on Dex Guru. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat. Appreciate you. Thank you for coming on into the live stream. Can you take a look at KAVA? Oh yeah, forgot about KAVA. Thank you. Love Dex Guru. We could put actual orders in there. PXBSC. Okay. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people don't know that I was a rapper for a long time. I have a rap album online. Sam Price, Life Elixir. Check it out. You can find me on Spotify, Amazon, whatever you want. That beat. Shimmies with the beat. Shimmies with the beat. Shimmies with the beat. Beat. Shimmy with the beat. Shimmy with the Let me give it to you. Make me want to get back into my old days, in my old ways, in my old phase. How I do this, how I did that, how I ripped it, how I kicked it like a Kit Kat. Get me coming when I'm coming, when I'm running, when I'm rumbling. Got it moving when I'm moving. You guys got me feeling this stuff. Yo. But I was a rapper for a long time. I could play some of my music even in the background. I'll play a track in the background. I'll play Nothing But a Flow while I do TA. All right? This is my own personal music, copyright by me. Made the song, wrote it, everything else. So we'll do TA and we'll continue. Let's take a look at the next idea here. And why is it not playing now? Everyone's like, you're not on Spotify. That's a lie. I'm like, yes, I am. No. Yes, I am. Hold on. I thought we just went to my Spotify and played it. Was it on low? Can you not place two Spotifys at the same time? Is that what's going on? Oh, yeah, wait, hold on. I think that's what it is. That's weird though, right?
Same price. Knock it out records. Yeah.
Okay, moving forward. Hex is going to the moon. You should release an album as an NFT. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna merge these things together. It's all gonna come together. Have you seen the KANA pump 4X last night? Shout out to anyone that took the call. KANA booming. Wow. Make sure you upload some stuff on Audius. Okay, definitely. A cause in the garage. Nothing but a flow. I don't need them fancy facades. I don't need nothing but a flow. Nothing but a flow. Check it out. So, make sure you upload some stuff on Audius. We'll take a look at that. Let's get back into Bitcoin and see what's cracking. That 1 hour needs to come back down. Booming to the upside though. 48,000. Told you though, it needs to break 49,300. That's the next move. We did break above hardcore support and we got above the 200-day moving average. The daily also had a bullish cross coming. I don't need my spot back. I'm on a roster with the rosters in a raw bag. My life is what it cost, I never saw that. That's my last name. Shouldn't throw stones if you living in the glass frame. Ooh. I got a lot of emotions. Money isn't everything. Are you lost in the ocean, swimming for success? Do you have a heart or is it pinned on your chest? I don't need diamonds and gold. Shopping sprees and buying out the store. Following my gut is where I go, cause I don't need nothing but a flow. And this is about how I trade. It's the same idea here. Gold, no clothes, nothing but a flow. No entourage, a cause in the garage. Nothing but a flow. I don't need them fancy facades. I don't need nothing but a flow. Nothing but a flow. You know what I'm saying? Like, all these rappers need all these other things, man. You don't need those things. I don't need a bank account with a big advance. All I need is the blood up in my veins to show you something, show you something, show you something. Come on, man. Anyway, I'll get back into the other stuff. A lot of people that are into the TA, they don't want to hear the music, and I learned that the hard way, and I'm probably gonna learn it the hard way today too. Spitting with the force of anger, man. Please don't tie me down. Torture chamber, here, just listen to my sound. Of course, a banger. Music is my everything, all that I ever have. Voices live forever as the cheddar pass. Stay a goodie, but an oldie. Why you stay in locks like Goldie? The truth hurts. While my flow is like a blast from Cassius. By your head, Catholic masses. I'ma keep it real till I'm a flask of ashes. All Moses needed was a stone and tablets. All I really need is vocals, doubles, and ad-libs. Plus his notes up in my iPhone. Let me get up in my zone. The truth says it all. What was my poem? No rain, no video. I just love my music, man. Nothing but a flow, no entourage, a cause in the garage. I don't need them fancy facades. I don't need nothing but a flow. So check me out. Check me out on Spotify. You won't be disappointed. I think you'll really appreciate it. A lot of good jams in there. A lot of good interesting things. A lot of intricate vocals. A lot of intricate lyricism. Yo, Life for Your Words. No, brother, I hear you, man. Yeah, nice song. Can you do MATIC TA? Thanks, JD. Yeah, let's take a look at MATIC on the TA. 33333. Yeah, that's dope. LOL. Lifer, you and XRP Music need to continue that show, man. Lifer's younger brother. We will. We haven't stopped. We just, he went on a traveling trip. He was out. What about ADA Network? ADA's been on fire. ADA has been on fire. ATA, it's been on fire. It exploded like, 150% yesterday? It's up again today. Absolutely insane. Sitting there at 64 cents, booms all the way up to 180. Does a triplet out of nowhere. Does this bottom period, though, look at bottom. That's why we talk about the bulls. That's why we're always talking about the right side of the bull is the fastest point of movement. That's where the biggest gains can ever happen inside of all TA, is these big moves up here to the upside. So because of that, I want everyone to realize that these are the times, like, to take this. These are the times, man. This is like a beautiful time to watch the market. It's a beautiful time to play with shapes. Beautiful time to just get educated on technical analysis, because this is where the magic happens here. You can see, you could flip this upside down. It's the same story, right? Same story. Pump, just a rounded bottom and a dump. But like, it's like a bookend. How funny is that, right? And it always comes back eventually. It's very interesting. So shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Okay. Take your profits. Gina Bombina. I love the real life rap, the motivational type, not the bad bitches look at my chains. There you go. 200 good karma likes. Thank you to the global lifer fam for all the likes. Aaron Chapman, congrats on making your dreams come true and joining the crypto fam. Trent Osborne, I like them both, but I hear you, right? I'm gonna look you up, bro. Yo, lifer, your words are dope. I hear you, man. Nice song. Can you do MATIC TA? Just fam likes. We'll take a look at MATIC TA. Nothing but trading view. I don't know, just tell them bye, Felicia. Nothing but a trading view. You're funny. Nothing but a trading view. See you, Muser Man. Have a huge collection of original Pokemon cards. I want to make an NFT line out of like put a card on a shirt, same color as their power, and airbrush around the card. I'm out, fam. Gotta run some errands. Hit me up in a bit, Sam. Shout out to XRP Musa. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. I gotta be out too. I'll upload some stuff on Audius. Yeah, I gotta take a look at how you do that and get into Audius. We'll take a look at Nano. Let's take a look at MATIC right now. MATIC USDT. MATIC fell out of the pattern that it was in. Sad. Looks like it's doing a bearish retest, which is possible. Let's see if it's high on the 4 hour or not. It is. That's a little worrisome, man. We'd have to open it up and say it's in a more of a broadening wedge, I guess, or a channel. But an idea is it could have fallen out of the pattern and be bearish retesting, which is trying to get in and then falling back out. Take a look at that 1 hour. Everything's high on MATIC. It's looking a little bearish right now, I'll be honest. I don't know why, but the TA for MATIC isn't that strong at the present moment in time. TA does not look that good for a move to the upside based on the 1 hour being oversold. Stochastics, it did get a little move like Bitcoin did, but it's going to have to come back down. Everything's kind of following BTC right now. So watch it. I mean, in the longer scheme of things, there is a cup and handle here, and MATIC's on its way, and it broke out of the smaller cup and handle, and it needs to just keep climbing over these highs. 171 is its next big target. It breaks above that, it's going to use that as support. But yeah, I mean, it's in the bowl, just like you saw what we just saw, how it had the huge high, and then boom. MATIC will make its back to its all-time high. The TA plays out over and over again, you know. And again, none of this is financial advice. No super chat is, I'm not doing any financial advice for a super chat. It doesn't work like that. I'm just doing TA on the coin if you bring up the coin. Not telling you when to buy or sell. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. It has nothing to do with me, what you do with your money. All I am is a technical analyst educating you on how to play with the chart. Casinos need crypto tables where you're basically investing, not gambling. More you earn, you'll spend anyway. $1 billion idea. Love you, Sam. Shout out to Gina Bombina. Love you too, girl. Thank you. Appreciate that. Larry Baldwin, 205 likes. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for jamming with the Crypto Lifer every single day. Appreciate each and every one of you. Got some bad news. My wife's mom will not be able to get out of Afghanistan. Found out this morning. So, we'll see. We'll see what can happen later on sometime down the road. But at least they tried. A man went to go get his mom. She sent him to America. He's here. And he went to try to get his mom. I mean, my wife's stepbrother. That's insane. Insane. HORD booming to the upside. All right. I love HORD. Looking nice in this falling wedge. Cup and handling itself. Handle yourself. That's my new thing. And I'm going to show this chart. And it's going to say handle yourself. All right. That's going to be the new t-shirt. Handle yourself, man. Handle yourself so someone else doesn't have to. That goes out for the ladies and the men out here. Especially you ladies. Handle yourself. Don't rely on these men out here. Right? Find a good man. If you're a good man, find a good woman. If you're a good woman, find a good man. If you're LGBT, find whatever you want to make you happy, but make sure they're good in their heart. Right? As if you're funny. Sorry to hear her mom couldn't get out. Was thinking about it last night. Yeah, I know. Every time I handle myself, my missus hits me. Oh my God. Thanks for what you do. Shout out to Max Smith. Ziliqua, prayers up to all involved in Afghan evacs. Yeah. I just have to thank you for all the knowledge you have passed. I have learned a lot from your analysis. Thank you very much. I've been making a profit in this market. Can you look at Hex? Francisco Jr., we'll take a look at Hex. Thank you. Cody is about to break from the falling wedge. Praying for your family, Sam. Thank you so much, Kevin Tam. Appreciate you, man. I'm a bad man. I need 6 or 7 bad women. Mad, no, so mad. Oh, man. Maddie, man. Don't disrespect women that way. I have a twin sister. I have a daughter. All right? How would I like it if my daughter was one of 6 women with a man? I would not be too happy. So let's, like, you're talking to a father right here, man. So watch your tone, boy. Watch your tone. And I'm surrounded by ladies. I got 2 daughters. I got 2 sisters. My whole life, it was me and the girls. My whole life, it was me and the girls. Couldn't take it. You know how many times I got dragged to the mall because my dad was out or doing something and I had to hang out with my sisters? And I'm sitting there. I used to get lost purposely in the clothing sections. I would go into that clothing thing, that circular thing, go inside and hide in there. My mom couldn't find me. Then I think it was funny. I'd watch her walk away. Then I'd go to find her, couldn't find her. I'd have to go to the front of the store. They go, you know, Mrs. to the front. And I'd be crying, and she'd come and get me. And it happened to the point, like, it happened almost every time. She said, I stopped taking to the store because you purposely got lost every single time. And I did. I made it hard on her. I would get lost on purpose. I did it all the time because I got bored. And I thought it was funny to hide in those little things. Shout out to DYOR on Disco. I'm sure you covered DYOR already. Just sharing the love for the support. Thank you so much for the $25 super chat. Appreciate you, man. Thank you very much for the love. Thank you very much for the mission accomplished. Right? Shout out to Crypto Sis. Shout out to Gina Bambina up in the spot. Gina Bobina. I keep saying Bambina. Girl dad equals mama's boy. I am a mama's boy. Yeah. Mission accomplished. Swear to God, I use the same thing. Hiding in those clothes and then have to go to the front. Damn, I did it all the time, dude. I did it all the time, yeah. Especially the circular one, because I could, like, hang out in there, and, like, it was so cool to be in there. And then I'd watch people get clothes while I was in there, and I'd be like, oh, my God. Like, and I'd watch them, like, moving it, and then they'd walk away. I'd get, like, an adrenaline rush out of, like, hiding in there. Liver has more momentum than the MACD. Us Livers are musers like XRP. We rap more than Jesse B. Eating tacos every day like Rodney. Morning freestyle. Oh, wait. Liver has more momentum than MACD. Use Livers or musers like XRP. We rap more than Jesse B. Eating tacos every day like Rodney E. Yo, I hit the round clothes racks too. Fine, man. My daughter not getting married till she's 50 at least. Hope you're doing well, Sam. Prayers for your family, my fam, and the Lifer fam. Shout out to Low Profile. Shout out to all the people in the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. All right, we're going to run out of here. Jump out and scare people, too. I actually got in trouble for that one. Hilarious, Tyler. Hilarious, man. Okay, everyone. VRA, please. We'll take a look at VRA. I like XLM. XLM's chart. That cup and handle looks absolutely beautiful. XLM looks beautiful. What a nice chart. What a nice chart, eh? VIA. Veracity. Good team. Beautiful coin. On the way. The whole market kind of took a nice little pump today. Look at that. It's all about the 4 hour, baby. It's all about that 4 hour. The 4 hour cup. The 4 hour cupped up. And there you have it. You look at this, it's been higher before, so you know it's in a cup and handle as well. I'm telling you, it's giant cup and handle season. If you missed the last 2 months of cup and handles, you're going to get another section of cup and handles coming. That's how these markets work. I've been through a bottom that crawls out of the bottom before, and I've watched these things happen many, many times. I've been trading for over 15 years at this point. I've been doing TA hardcore for 5 years, like every single day. And I've been doing 2 years of the show almost at this point. In September, we'll come around. We're coming for the 2-year anniversary of my YouTube channel. A 2-year anniversary, man. I never thought I would say that. September 19th. We're a month away. Less than that. A few weeks away from my 2-year anniversary, man. I'm gonna cry. My God. I'm just joking. Not this time. But it does get me a little emotional. It gets me going. The fact that I put 2 years into this. 2 years, baby. Look how far you can go in 2 years. Imagine where this channel will be 2 years from now. If I could took zero subscriptions, I had 0 subs to 12,000 almost today. And if I could get from 12, where could I go? That's a 12,000x, right? So let's do the math here. Let's do the math. If I can 12,000, and it should get exponential because it's easy to grow a channel. So say I started at 0 at 12,000 and I just 12,000x'd. You're talking 144 million subscribers. Hey, man, let's do it, baby. Anything is possible. I'm with it. I'm with it, baby. The 144. The sacred 144. Prayers for a peaceful transition for all the families in Afghanistan and for your family, Sam. Thank you so much, Love Learning. Appreciate you. That's some good stuff you created, Sam. Love all kinds of music. Thank you, Bobby Fan. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on in. All right, everyone. Thank you for being here. I won't go off topic again, and I'll stay on it. But yeah, Veracity just getting busy. Starting to make a move here on the 12-hour, too. Obviously, the 1 hour and everything's going to have to figure its way out. Look for a pennant. Something like that. Beautiful cup and handle there forming, too. Veracity, man. We started getting into Veracity it feels like 6 months ago. Haven't thought about hiding in closed racks in 440 years. Oh, my God. Isn't that funny? Thank you so much for the super chats. Thank you for all the love, each and every one of you. Jesse B, you asked me for something. Now I forget. See? Yeah, people don't realize that I am on the spectrum. Like, I am slightly autistic, so that's why I'm able to do these things. That's why I sit in front of a computer for 2 hours and able to pump. Like, it's not normal. I'm not a normal person. Like, that's what I'm saying. Take advantage of my insane mind while you can. While you can. Because you never know. You never know what can happen. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Okay? So total looks very, very likely to boom. Right? We went over that now to 2.4 trillion. And everything is handy dandy as we broke out. All we need to do really is break 2.14 and we're on our way. We're about to crack 2 trillion again right now. Beautiful, beautiful times. Total 2 is all of the altcoins, the entire market cap of all the altcoins. And look at this erupting. Just today alone, $149 billion coming back into the market in the last 4 hours, 5 hours. Had a fractal that this would just continue to the upside. So far, it could be fractaling out as we speak. This is looking very nice to me. The total market cap of all of the smaller alts. And to me, it's in the same, these are slanted cup and handles. I'm going to call this a new pattern. I've never heard. It's a slanted cup and, slanty cup and handy. The slanty. A slanted cup and handle. Look at that. Cup with the handle. It's breaking out just like a cup and handle. All right. That gives me a target of the measured move of the cup and handle. Says the TA, do. Strict TA. Educational purposes only. Only. And there you have it. High on the 1 hour tells me it's got to do a retest. I never go after anything when it's high on the 1 hour. Wait for the retest, the bounce off the 200-day moving average probably. Bing, bang. I put an alert down here on the 1 hour. When the 1 hour resets, I take a look back at it. And that's how I don't watch the chart all day long. Okay? And this is total too. You can't really, it's not a big deal, but you know. So anyway, looking very nice. Now take a look at the dollar index. What happens to the dollar tells us what's happening with the rest of the market. Very, very important. So I look at the DXY, the US currency dollar index. And look at the dollar taking a nasty dump today. A nasty sell-off for the dollar. Wow. Huge sign for a boom for Bitcoin. That's another reason Bitcoin, when the dollar dumps, Bitcoin goes up in value immediately. Remember that. 33333 bars. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. I never mind dumps because they become left side of crypto, of the cup. Exactly. There you go. A dump is just the left side of a cup. That's a great way to think the cup is half full. No pun intended there. I've been gained since you had. I've been here since you had 300 subs. Shout out to Eddie D. Kunha. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate you, man. Mana needs a boost. Bullish Shalom. I got in at 4.3. KAVA for Jesse B. That's what it was. Jesse B wants KAVA. I want KAVA too, and I just forgot. I'm not perfect, people. I make a lot of mistakes. So look, the dollar was in a cup and handle. It hit the cup and handle, so it hit it. I put it in a cup and handle. It's crazy how cup and handles almost do it every single time. I almost I don't know when I've seen a cup and handle not play out. Didn't have to go all the way to the bigger target, but rejection. Dollar's not looking strong at all. And I went over this, that the weekly was ready to rock to the downside, while the weekly for Bitcoin is getting to the opposite, you know? So the dollar, one more time, and then it's gone. It's gone. Look at this. It's going to form a bear pennant here. It's forming a bear pennant. It really is. Up, down, up, down, up, down. And then I see the dollar tanking even more. This is what I see happening for the dollar. As long as it doesn't break out of this bigger channel. So if it breaks down, this bigger channel is negated. It still could be in a bull pennant and a bit of a cup and handle here, where it has even more to go. This says the dollar could go up, which is weird. Which is something I wouldn't want to see. That foreshadows a dump in the markets. You never know. But it's interesting to think about. Why the TA there says that the dollar may move up. The TA is not my idea. The TA is its own entity. It lives completely by itself. Ethereum taking that big move to the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks of beautifulness to the upside. Struggling a little bit the past 2 weeks, but not giving back any gains. We take a look at Ether. And it's looking actually a lot more like a bull pennant now at the top than it was like a rising wedge. Like this bigger pattern here even. And it's breaking out. Ethereum doing damage. SAFEMOON. We looked at SAFEMOON earlier. We'll take a look back at SAFEMOON one more time. A lot of buys coming in for SAFEMOON. In the last 1 minute, it's been pumping hard for like an hour. Let's see on the 15 minute. Wow, it's been moving hard for sure. Wow. SAFEMOON moving. See the bigger picture. Where does it have to break resistance? Huge sign on ETH, not returning any gains. It's a big deal. You didn't look at Hex, please. We'll take a look at Hex. Wow, it really boomed up now. SAFEMOON booming from the bottom lows. Booming to the upside. Unbelievable. That's amazing. SAFEMOON, man. Wow. Just a little bit. And I'm out. Just a little man. Just a little man. To the crop. It's been a band. And look, you can see the shoulder, head and shoulder. Boom. And then hit the target of the head and shoulder. It will have maybe a pullback to here, but as it keeps growing, can SAFEMOON get all the way back to all-time highs? Is it crawling out of a bowl and ready to move? Again, like everything else we've seen crawl out of a bowl. Anything is possible. Well, look at that. There's so many good coins. Just don't know which one to buy. You got to focus. You got to just focus on, you got to come down and focus. That's what it comes down to. You got to have a focus. Got to have a focus. All right. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. 211 people on the like. 173 people watching. More likes than watchers. They're like, how is that possible? We do it every single day here. Even if we put SAFEMOON like this, it is in a falling wedge now. And it broke out of the falling wedge. It does have a target, which is the length of that. Not too shabby considering where it's at for SAFEMOON. At least back to this previous high here. Well, it might get rejected. And then this high here as well. That's a big gainer for SAFEMOON from that bottom. And boom, going up 500% if it can complete the journey. All right. Please send in a super chat for the deep dives. Hey, mate, good to see you. Have Allocat C98. Kanala is starting to build on Reef. That's amazing. See? Kanaloa. Dude, I'm telling you, man, we put Kanaloa on your radar at the very beginning when it first got started. Kanaloa. Okay? $2 million market cap. This thing had nothing when we talked about it. Absolutely nothing. It was down here. We went over it. I went over down here. So we look at Kanaloa. And this thing went all the way up. 514% gains. It's insane. Kind of popularity-wise, I mean, it's on Medium. Just play the TA in short-term trades with the at Gina. Find a few good coins you like and follow the TA on those, said Mitchell Gring. I'm just reading the, that's not what I'm saying, that's just what he's saying. Is SAFEMOON a meme right now? Can you talk about DOP? There's so many coins, I just don't know which one to buy. You just got to focus on a few. I like to take a look at ETH BTC. Let's take a look at KAVA. as it mooned today. Probably it's got to be in the $8-9 range. That's what I'm guessing now. We started getting into KAVA at $3, right? On the very starts. These are messing with me. For some of these got reset, but KAVA looking nice. I was looking at KAVA last night with the low stochastic. Thought it would pop a little bit more than it did, but it is breaking out. It is breaking out. So it's a good sign that there's a breakout happening for KAVA. It's in a giant cup and handle as well. The mainnet came out for KAVA yesterday. So you do want to see, usually there's a sell-off into the mainnet or around the mainnet. So it made sense. The high was, it went to $8. KAVA in the giant cup and handle too. Look at that. Ready to make work. Ready to do due diligence for KAVA. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour still has momentum too as it starts to peak on out. I personally like the 4 hour time frame the most as we start to rally into a heavy bear run. All right. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. I love them low caps though. All right, everyone, I'm out of here. BB Rahman, the OG lifer. I know, right? Calling me out. KAVA swap on the 31st. Gina at DJN on the low. You guys are funny, man. I love them low caps low. Who? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on into the Lifer show. We'll be back tomorrow. Remember, tomorrow is at 8 p.m. Hex. One more time for Hex, and then I'm out of here. Hex booming to the upside. I mean, I had a call here, it going all the way to 26. All right, so Hex to 26. That's the target of this cup and handle Hex was in. All right, so Hex moving and booming. It's probably gonna take a little bit of a chill pill. It's extremely oversold on the stochastics. All right, everyone. Thank you for being here. I'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow night, Saturday night. It's a fun stream. It's a wacky stream. The night streams get kind of crazy, especially if Bitcoin starts to pump. All right, and so get ready for that. I love you all. Thank you for coming on into the live. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys on the next live stream. All right. At the end of every live stream, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life. And then I'm out of here for the day. So guys, thank you for being a lifer. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life. Peace out. I'll see you tomorrow.